Param Shanti. Today's topic is concept of time. Why world drama is not 5000 years. As per Hindu scriptures, the time period of Kali Yuga or dark period is 4,32,000 years. Out of this, 5000 years have been elapsed. But scientists are telling that life on earth is not sustainable beyond next 40 to 50 years. So one must know what is the time period presently the earth is passing through and how creation is sustained on earth in spite of tremendous negativity. What is the secret power that holds the creation intact and governs the whole creation on earth even in this worst form of dark period known as Kali Yuga? As per Hindu scriptures, time period for Kali Yuga is 4,32,000 years. In this way, there are four yugas on earth which forms a Chaturyuga or Yugantar. One Chaturyuga is 43,20,000 years. One day of Brahma is 1000 Chaturyugas. Life of Brahma is 100 years. Out of this, 50 years have already been elapsed. Past 50 years of Brahma is called as fast Parardha. One day of Brahma is divided into 14 Manvantars and 1000 Yugantars. At present on earth, it is fast day of second Parardha of Brahma. In this fast day of Brahma, it is 7th Manvantar and 28th Yugantar on earth. Kali Yuga sets in after 1000 years of Lord Krishna left this earth. There remains another 4,20,000 years of Kali Yuga as per scriptures. So, as per scriptures, Kali Yuga is just at its starting point. So, there is a long time ahead to complete Kali Yuga. But science is searching for ways and means for survival of life on other planets in this galaxy by sending signals, satellites, etc. Why is it so? Who is protecting this dying planet, solar system, as well as this galaxy from complete destruction? What is the concept of destruction? What is the concept of time cycles for each celestial body in vast sky? Now scientists are also telling that a supermassive black hole is present at the center of galaxy. So there is no energy for sustenance of life force in this creation. One should see videos of Bapuji on these topics to understand the phenomenon of destruction which is imminent in this creation. This creation means the whole multiverse inside which uncountable universes, uncountable galaxies as well as solar systems are revolving, where Earth is just like a subatomic particle. Bapuji explained our multiverse has fallen down to minus 100 color and our universe has fallen down to 0 color power. This is a state of deep negativity and the whole creation inside this multiverse is progressing towards great dissolution at a very fast pace. The divine power, which is responsible for creation and governance of infinite creations, the same divine power is now working for the revival of fallen creations to its original powerful divine state. This is the significance of present time when this grand transformation is in process. As per our scriptures, uncountable solar systems are created as well as destroyed in every moment of Mahasiva. Mahasiva is the creator of a galaxy. 100 years of Brahma in a solar system is just a moment for Mahasiva. So, for Mahasiva, 4,32,000 years on earth has no significance. It is just a trillionth and trillionth of a second or less than that for Mahasiva. So, if Mahasiva wants to dissolve the creation in a solar system, then it can be done at any point of time. For Mahasiva, the final dissolution is known as Mahakal Pralay. When Mahakal Pralay sets in, it dissolves all the solar system in a galaxy, irrespective of time period that is going on in any solar system or in any planet. The power of Mahasiva supersedes the power of all creators inside the galaxy. If one observes the activities on Earth, the creation on Earth survived even after First World War, then Second World War, even after many calamities and mass destructions and wars. Had some divine power been not working to protect the creation, then creation would have been destroyed within a moment. So, who is protecting this creation on earth? One must think on it. This is the most important fact to understand for a spiritual seeker on earth. Now, the Supreme Creator, whose energy pervades everywhere and whose energy is governing the entire boundless infinite creation, starting from a solar system to multiverse and beyond, he is himself presently working here at this moment, not only to protect this earth or solar system or galaxy, but whole multiverse. This period on earth is known as Sangam Yuga, that is the time of confluence when the highest power descends on this physical world to facilitate the divine process of grand transformation. He is working secretly, nobody can know him. As per Srimad Bhagavad Gita, whenever there is a fall in righteousness, Lord Vishnu incarnates on earth to set right unscrupulous practices and establish truth and righteousness by annihilating dark forces. Lord Vishnu had 24 incarnations. Rama and Krishna were all incarnations. As per scriptures, Rama and Krishna were incarnations of Lord Vishnu, but in fact, they were incarnations of Almighty Authority. Now, Almighty Authority Himself is working in this solar system to transform the elements of this whole multiverse. He never allows destruction to happen. He wants transformation of elements so that present dilapidated creation can be revived into an eternal divine creation free from all dark forces. The present situation on earth is such alarming that third world war seems to occur at any point of time, as one can observe multiple conflicts of interest among various nations, but Almighty Authority has stopped third world war to rescue the life force on this earth. He is working minutely on the process of transformation. There are different time cycles in the creation based on the dimension of creation or the degree of celestial power the creation is made of. A solar system has its own time cycle, so also a galaxy has its own time cycle. During one time cycle of or one time period of Mahasiva, many Shivas are created and destroyed, which is known as the Great Dissolution or Mahakal Pralaya of Mahasiva. To understand the time cycles of various dimensions of creation, one must first understand clearly the time cycle of our solar system. For this, one has to deeply understand the Hindu scriptures. Those who do not understand Hindu scriptures and consider these scriptures as false, they are novice, ignorant. So one must know that already 50 years of Brahma has already been completed. Hindu scriptures comprising of 4 Vedas, these are nothing but principles of life forces in this solar system. 18 Puranas, histories and geography of this solar system, and 6 Shastras, analysis of scriptures, are purely scientific and based on direct experiences of divine beings, saints, sages, rishis. These scriptures have detailed information about the creation of this solar system right from its starting point. It is not easy to understand the true meaning of these scriptures for a common man who has no depth of spiritual knowledge and experience. There is a book, Anantakoti Brahmand Ki Mahakal Pralay, in our website. There is explanation of different types of dissolutions that take place in our solar system at the end of different time cycles on earth, like Ardha Pralay, Pralay, Kalpa Pralay, Mahakalpa Pralay. Finally, the dissolution of galaxy takes place at Mahakal Pralay. One must read to understand the whole process. Now the process what is going on presently is a unique transformation process of elements. The elements will be transformed into supreme elements. This is not a process of destruction but a process of transformation. In fact, actual meaning of word pralay in Hindu scripture is as follows. Pralay is comprised of two words, pra plus lay. Pra means fast or the beginning or in the beginning, and lay means rhythm or frequency. So when the creation regains its original frequency or status, which was in the beginning, it is called as pralay. In single sentence, it means transformation of physical creation to its initial incorporeal state. Now Almighty Authority has come down to transform the infinite universes, and He is beyond all time cycles of visible and invisible boundless creations. In trillionth of a fraction of a moment of His time, infinite boundless creations are created. In fact, He is beyond time. So time cycles of solar system, of a galaxy or universe or multiverse are insignificant and minuscule, so minute, so small, even can't be measured in the time scale of Almighty Authority, who is eternal, indestructible, and self-manifesting. Now scientists are telling that environment on earth is degrading very fast. So life on earth cannot be lasted for more than 20 to 30 years because level of pollution of air, water and environment is alarming, and all forms of food have got contaminated to a high degree. There is scarcity of food, oxygen, and water. So, sustenance of life on earth is not feasible under such adverse conditions. So, there is no way other than transformation of elements on earth. The situation on earth is so adverse. If transformation is not going to take place, then it is certain that life on earth will be exterminated very shortly. Forget about the time period of Kali Yuga that remains to occur. This is the opinion of all scientists, experts, environmentalists also. So transformation is inevitable for the continuance of life force on earth. World Health Organization has reported that more than 80 lakhs are dying annually due to pollution only. So the level of degradation is at its peak. There is no power at all in the elements to sustain the creation. So every component of creation or environment has already reached its worst form. All these have been explained in other videos also. In near future, extraordinary scientific and technological revolution is going to take place on Earth with the help of scientists from higher dimensions like universes. So they are working on the inspiration of Almighty Authority. Science of supreme elements will be developed in near future, which will revolutionize the living standard on Earth. The present energy sources being used on Earth are very low level, causing environmental degradation. So they all will become obsolete soon at the advent of technology of supreme elements. Science of supreme elements will work only when environment will be filled with supreme elements. The clean and free energy will be available to all. With the development of devices of supreme elements, the environment will become clean and sustainable. All elements will become supreme elements. Then energy will be free and plenty for all. So a very good time is ahead waiting for all on the earth. The people who are making affirmation for destruction and waiting for the destruction to happen, they will be definitely disappointed as destruction is not at all going to happen. Such groups had already predicted destruction in the year 1976, 1996, 2000 and 2012, but nothing had happened. Almighty Authority is the ocean of love, ocean of compassion, so he cannot allow destruction to happen in front of him. Shiv, Mahasiv, Paramahasiv, they wind up their creation through the process of destruction, but Almighty Authority transforms the creation to bring it to its initial supreme divine form with his supreme divine power. He is the supreme master creator, the supreme power, Almighty Authority. His actions are supremely divine and beyond the perceptions of common human soul. So all the souls who understand this knowledge must join to this YouTube channel to spread this supreme knowledge for transformation of elements. परम शांति बेहद की परम 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 महाशांति
परम शांति सोचो बोलो परम शांति
Join us daily for live meditation 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anant@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.
बेहद की